Okay, the first page I want you to do is your biotic, abiotic sort. So if you notice, my instructions are always in the green box. It says click and drag the boxes below to sort them in the T-chart. Over here, my blue boxes are going to be for my state standard and essential questions. So our state standard for today is 8.11b, investigate how organisms and populations in an ecosystem depend on and may compete for biotic and abiotic factors such as quantity of light, water, range of temperatures, or soil composition. Our big question we're answering is, what biotic and abiotic factors do organisms need for survival? Now, you really should remember these words because they started off in 6th grade, so we're just doing a quick review. So to remind you, you're going to complete this T-chart. I want you to pause this video, complete the T-chart, and then come back to check your answers with the answers I'm about to show you. So go ahead and pause your video now and make sure you have completed this T-chart on your own. Okay, now let's go over the answers. So first of all, we need to remember the definitions. Biotic is a living or once living thing. So that means if it's dead, for example, in the fall when the leaves fall off the trees and land on the ground, they're considered biotic because they are once living things. Those leaves were once alive. Abiotic is going to be our non-living things, so things that were never alive. Okay, so now animals belongs with biotic because it's living. Soil belongs with abiotic because it's non-living. Oxygen is non-living, so it's abiotic. Mushrooms are living because they are decomposers, so it goes with biotic. Rocks are non-living, so they are abiotic. Temperature and weather is abiotic. Now, a bird's nest is something that people really struggled with today. If we think of your typical bird's nest, it's made of leaves, twigs, sticks, things like that. They come from trees. So because it was part of a living thing, your sticks and leaves are going to be considered biotic. So a bird's nest made from those leaves and sticks is also categorized as biotic. Water is abiotic, so it's going to go here. Carbon dioxide, that's the air that we breathe out, so it is abiotic. Plants are biotic. And finally, we have bacteria. They may be tiny, they may be microorganisms, but they are biotic. Now, make sure you've checked your answers in your journal, and if you missed anything, just go back and fix it because this activity was just a review. This is not necessarily a graded activity. So make sure you go back and fix these pages in your journal. Okay? The next activity that you're going to do, you're going to go through and watch these videos. It tells you here, watch the videos below. Complete the following for each video. Give 2 examples of interactions of, let's fix this, of biotic interactions. Give 2 examples of abiotic interactions. So for deserts, I'm going to watch my deserts video. And I'm going to double click this box and I'm going to type in an example from the video of 2 living things interacting. For example, here at the school, it might be a teacher and student talking. That would be an example of 2 living things interacting. Over here, it might be we are walking on the soil outside. So that would be a living thing interacting with a non-living thing. So go through and watch both of these videos and record your observations.